Hi, beautiful, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome to D Don Kitchen. Guys, today D Don is going to do a quick and simple drink. It's mint lemonade. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Don upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporters, subscriber, follower, a very big warm welcome to you all. I wouldn't be here without you guys. I love you all. So let's get started. 1 lemon or half a lemon. Just a handful of mint, and you have to use a fresh green mint. You need sugar for sweetening, 2 tablespoons of sugar or 3 tablespoons, depends on your likeness, or you can use some honey for sweetening. And of course we need some ice. Now it's summertime, you know guys, the time is very hot. So with the mint, when you buy the mint, you're gonna need a juice extractor, or you need your NutriBullet or a blender. So when you buy the mint, you know, the mint come with some of the leaf, you know, looking like this. So when you see this, you just want to take it off, because remember, you're just gonna make juice with it, so you don't want all of this. It's not like you're gonna dry it to make some mint tea, so take them off. And the end, it's already cut, like at the store, you see it brown, you just cut it off, put it on your, just take it off just like that, clip it off. Let's clip off all the ends. And ensure that you rinse the mint under some warm water. If you don't have warm water, you just use a regular tap water from the pipe. And this lemon, oh yes, 1 cup of water. We're gonna extract, or you're gonna squeeze the lemon juice out. So you see, I get so much lemon juice from half a lemon. So because it's just 1 cup of water, I don't need the whole of the lemon. So after you prepare the mint, you rinse, you take off all the leaf that is spoiled, then you're just gonna add it in the water. And place the lid on. Put the ice in the glass, set it aside, and we're just gonna blend. Put it on the NutriBullet. If you have a blender, you put it in your blender. And here we go. So now guys, we're just gonna strain it. Guys, you're watching the video today and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like and share the video, hit that notification bell so you will be the first one to know when D-Don upload a video. Share the video, comment, like and share. Don't just comment and don't like the video guys. You saw this thing looks so rich. You're gonna come in with your sugar, and we're gonna pour in our lemon juice. Remember, you can use honey if you don't want to use sugar. You can use anything you want to sweeten anything you like, you so desire. And just mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Guys, I tell you something, I'm not a sugar person. I don't like sugar. I just make my drink or my juice and I just drink it just as it is. Or use a little honey in it. Let's see and taste. Perfect. Perfect for the hot summer day. Or in the winter too. This is perfect. Okay. Our mint lemonade. I'm gonna pour it out. Remember to subscribe, like and share the video, hit the notification bell, and tell a friend of Eden Kitchen. That's how you're gonna support Eden Kitchen. Guys, so this is our lemonade mint drink. So refreshing and rejuvenate. When you drink this, guys, you feel like you want to run up the mountain. Give it a try and tell me how you enjoy it. And look, tell me where you're watching the video from. Tell me where you're watching the video from. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment. I love you, beautiful people. And let us all be our brother's keeper and our sister keeper. Peace and love. Eden said, from my kitchen to your kitchen. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.